So guys, this is the public market here in Quiapo. As you can see, oh my god, it's super busy. There is a lot of people. Oh my god, there's a bird. And you can buy 50 pesos for clothes. And you can buy mango for 50 pesos. So 5 pieces. You can buy also apple, 50 pesos for 4 pieces. Well, here in Manila, it's so cheap. They have street foods, they call it puset. And kikiam. There's a lot of people here, my god. And this is the first time I'm walking alone. So you can buy a mango here, 50 pesos also, oh my god. So guys, this is Manila. You can buy apple for 100 pesos for 4 pieces and pearl 100 pesos for 4 pieces. They said Manila is expensive, but no, this is the public market here in Manila. So wherever you go, you can see this is tumpok. Hi kuya. And they have also here Pakistan menu. It's biryani. How much the biryani? This is Pakistan. Okay. I think I'm gonna try this.
Oh my god, guys. It's very busy here in Quiapo. So, actually, I'm trying to check all the food here. And, yeah, let's try. They told me it's cheaper and good taste. So, let's try all the food here. Well, you can buy what we call this bag here, super cheaper. And then, my God, it's very crowded. And they have, ano yun? Ano yung punta natin? Baked mac. Let's say this one. Let's try. Hi, how much? 60 pesos. So guys, they have this one, mac and cheese, for only 60 pesos. Let's try. So guys, for only 60 pesos, let's try this. Let's try. Yummy. So, this is pasta with cheese. Very, very yum. Well, guys, I'm trying a lot of food here. It's crazy. It's insane. And of course, they have here corn. You can buy corn here. They have avocado juice. Actually, guys, it's a lot of food here in Quiapo. They have this one. It's lechon, I think. They have fruits. If you really came here, oh my God, it's a lot of food. So there's no more diet at all. And also they have this. How much this one? How much now? 50 pesos. What is this, ate? How much? Huh? White gulaman. It's magic water. So can I have one? Oh. It's insane, guys. He's a little bit shy because I'm talking English. So actually, this is clear water. Guys, this is clear water, but they said magic water. So let's try. Cheers. So the taste is very sweet. I think there is gulaman inside. So you can buy this one for only 20 pesos. There's no more diet at all here in Quiapo, Manila. Well, I heard there is hot dog, Hungarian burger here, and it's just 15 pesos. So I really want to try how is the taste. Let's go. So guys, this is the Hungarian burger, and it's just 50 pesos. So let's try. I will try this because it's just 50 pesos. It's insane. Dalawa. I'll try. Let's rate. So guys, this is the Hungarian burger and it's just 50 pesos. here in Quiapo, Manila. Let's try. It's a lot of cheese, and there is hot dog inside. Yeah, so let's try. Mm. Oh my God. It's just 50 pesos, guys. It's very yummy. So you can buy this here in Quiapo. All the tourists will just visit Quiapo if you really want to try all the insane food here. So guys, they have also this one. How much this one, Ate? Oh my God. It's lumpia sariwa. It's just 50 pesos. Well, the first time that I'm walking alone here in Manila. Hi. Oh my God. It's just 50 pesos. How you imagine there is Pakistan here selling biryani. Oh my God. It's really nice business. Look at the small orange. Just 40 pesos each. Oh my God. For today, I'm gonna buy this small apple for my niece. Ay, pabili! Kuya, pabili! So, how you imagine just 50 pesos? And it's 4 pieces. How much the lemon, kuya? My God, it's super cheap. Kuya, I need to buy 2 packs. 2 dalawang tumpok. And then, one of this. Yeah. So, this is 100 pesos. And this is 100 pesos. Then I'm gonna buy also orange. Yeah. Okay na yan. You can buy also 50 pesos t-shirt here in Quiapo. Oh my God, it's super cheap. Underwear for 20 pesos. And this one also, it's just for 50 pesos. Sale 50 pesos clothes. My God. So actually guys, this is my first time walking alone. And this is the first time I'm going home riding jeep. So I'm not gonna use my car, I'm not gonna use my motor, I'm not gonna use taxi or Grab. I'm going home with a jeepney. And also guys, here you can buy your tempered glass for only 50 pesos ordinary. And curve 350. And then they have 150, 120, 100, 250. So this is the charger actually. And this is the tempered glass. Look, tempered glass, 100 pesos ceramic. Ceramic 150 and then full glass. So yeah, it's very cheap. Well guys, if you came here in Manila and everybody they said it's dangerous, you need to be careful, I'm the one to say it's safe. But of course, you always check your things to be safe also.